Hi friends! Welcome sa last part ng ating Japan series. And in this vlog, I will be showing you guys what I bought, which I think mga worth it naman ng mga bagay, no? And share na rin yung thoughts ko about my trip there and how it affected my life. Because you guys need to know, right? I mean, kidding aside, I've learned a lot of things. I've discovered a lot and I have a new perspective of things, no? Simula nung nanggaling ako doon na Hi, Japan, napakaganda mo. At yun nga, I will expound on that in this video, no? So, simulan na natin to. A lot has actually happened to me professionally. So, isi-share ko yun sa mga next videos ko. Pero, yun nga, I've been away and I'd like to share nga yung mga binili ko kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako doon, no? Although, unfortunately, mahina yung yen ngayon, no? So, sana makabawi yung Japan and their economy. Pero pabor yun sa mga bakasyonistang tulad ko. So marami tayong napamili. And it's really fun. We had a really relaxing itinerary. DIY lang siya. Kaya naman we had the privilege to go wherever we want and spend time kung saan namin gusto. And ay nga, pero mostly talaga sa shopping lang napunta. Sobrang may in love ka talaga sa Japan sa una mong punta. And ako yung magpapatotoo doon. The worst feeling was going to the airport and going home. Kaya naman, nagpaplano na ulit kami na bumalik. Hopefully next year, no? Pero sa Nagoya naman. Kitang-kita talaga. It's a really strong contrast, no? Sa isang first world country like Japan versus the Philippines. So, I couldn't really help but compare yung mga bagay na nandito, no? And papaisip ka na lang talaga na mag-move doon. Pero, ayun nga, let's move on to the juice of the video. Simulan natin sa mga necessities, no? So, unang-una, ito, this is a sunblock, sunscreen, or whatever you want to call it. Napaka-common ito, no? You can see it in drugstores sa Japan or sa Don Quixote. I'm really sorry I forgot the price. I also lost the receipt, but I suggest na kunin nyo to. I think this is around 900 yen. Pero for its quality, sobrang sulit niya na, no? So we bought actually 10 of these. Yung iba, nagpasabay din yung mga kaibigan ng wife ko, no? So, SPF 50 na siya. I regularly do this, lalo na pagpapasok sa office at ako ay nag-move it or nag-aangkas. So, yeah, if you ever come to Japan, buy this. Ito. Or even other variations of it. Sobrang mura lang ng mga sunscreen nila doon. Okay, the next one, actually, if you guys don't know, I actually love anime. I made sure na may mauwi ako na something related to anime and manga. Kaya naman when I went to book off, I took this opportunity to buy itong well, I would say currently my top manga. And ito yon. So, ito yung volume 1 ng Chainsaw Man. Tingnan nyo, nakabalot pa siya. Ayan, ito siya. And it's actually in Japanese. So, hindi ko siya mababasa hanggat hindi ako nag-aaral ng Japanese. But I've actually read the manga multiple times. And I just have to say, ito lang yung manga na binasa ko multiple times, no? You can say na, mas baka recency bias lang yan kasi may anime siya na nirelease. Diyan kayo nagkakamali. I really love this series. The characters are lovable. Ma-attach ka talaga sa kanila. The plot twists are there. I think I just spent around, 462 yen kung kita niyan. So, mura lang talaga siya. Pero relatively, no, sa mga manga stores doon, mahal pa nga to kasi sa book off ko siya binili, which is I highly suggest na puntahan nyo. Pero sila lang talaga yung nakita kong nagbebenta ng ganito, kaya binili ko na. At I do plan on opening this up, pero siguro pag marunong na ako mag-Japanese. Next item, ito naman, kaya lang kunin ko. Ito ay yung White Fragrance Musk Air Freshener. Ito naman, binili ko din to sa Don Quixote and makikita nyo, napakalaki niya. And I think I bought this for around 700 yen. I think it was 700 to 1,000 yen, no? Pero sobrang laki na niya, sobrang bango niya. It does the job. Napakabango and sobrang pleasing talaga, no, sa ilong. Kaya pagpasok nyo pa lang ng room, talagang sobrang fresh na ng hangin na malalasap nyo. Ayun, another thing that I bought is shoes. So, teka lang, kunin ko lang din uli. Ayan. So, bumili ako ng training shoes doon. Ito, yung Metcon 5. Yan, kung makikita nyo. Ang rason naman kaya ako siya binili is sa Philippines, we've been eyeing the shoes, no? So, around nasa 6'8 siya, mga ganyan price. And since nasa Japan nga tayo and malakas yung peso versus yen, it only cost around mga 4,700, around that price. Tapos may discount pa pag mayroon kang Nike app. Yung nag-assist pa sa amin doon, sobrang bait, no? So, pumunta kami ng Kobe, tapos doon kami nagtingin. We actually look for other Nike stores. At yung mga nakita namin, hindi na nagbebenta ng ganong colorway. So, we had to search every nook and cranny, no, sa Japan para makahanap ng ganong colorway. And nahanap nga namin siya at ganun din yung binili ng asawa ko. Same na color, iba lang yung size. Ang next naman na binanata namin is yung GU. So, for those who don't know, Uniqlo actually has a sister company, yung tawag nila. And the clothes that they sell there is way cheaper than Uniqlo. Kaya naman, nung nandoon kami, no, nanghinayang ako sa mga pinagbibili ko. Kasi sa Uniqlo din ako bumili dito sa Philippines and I bought shirts, shorts, pants, which is cheaper sa Uniqlo Japan and mas cheaper pa dun sa GU. The quality is also nice. Actually, ginamit ko na nga siya nung nandun kami sa Japan. So, papakita ko yung mga pictures na ginamit ko, yung mga binili namin. We spent around 27,000 yen, no, dun sa GU na yon. Pero, again, sobrang sulit na. So, shared na sa amin yun between me and my wife, and that amount na pag in-spend mo sa Pilipinas is onti lang yung mabibili mo. And I also want to highlight this shirt, no, kasi hindi ko alam kung meron to sa Uniqlo Philippines, pero papakita ko na lang. Ito. So, this is actually, I think, so please correct me, is a Uniqlo Japan exclusive. I'm sure kilala niyo yung mga character yan, yung iba dyan. There's actually lots of seasonal designs there nung pumunta kami. So, merong Street Fighter, meron yung mga traditional Japanese designs sa mga shirts nila. And this really caught my eye, no? Ayan. So, I really love this shirt. At hindi ko na isasama dito yung mga chocolate, no? So, obviously, meron na yun. At namigay nga ako sa office. And my wife also bought a lot pasalubong. Nahirapan lang din kami mag-uwi nun kasi napuno kagad yung mga luggages namin. Pero yeah, had we have more space sa mga bags, no, baka nakapag-shop pa talaga kami ng mas maraming mga bagay, no. And yeah, so happy with the purchases. And to close out this series, no, so nakita nyo naman, if you watch, no, yung mga Japan vlogs natin, no, it was a really healing experience. At least for me, no? Kasi I was going through a tough time. I didn't want to go home when I was there. Hindi ako na homesick. Compared, no, sa mga trips ko before, Japan is just on another level, no? So, yung mga tao, disciplined, they are very polite, they are very hospitable, they are very caring, lalo na sa yung mga restaurants sa kinainan namin, no? Sobra yung pag-accommodate nila sa amin. The food was really good. Kung nakita nyo naman yung mga ratings ko sa food, no, walang bumaba ng 5. Every day I was looking forward kung saan kami pupunta, kung ano yung kakainin namin, kung ano yung mga itatry naming mga bago. And the weather, grabe, sobrang tama lang. It's springtime na nung pumunta kami, kaya hindi ganun kalamig at hindi rin ganun kainit. Pero it was the first time na nakapag double layer ako or triple layer na mga damit. Feeling ko mag-e-enjoy doon yung mga nag-OOTD, yung mga pumaporma, pumapasyon. The transportation is really good, yung mga train. Although it can get confusing sometimes because ang daming mga exit, ang daming nakakalitong entrance, pero you'll get the hang of it kung makailang days ka na doon, no, sa lugar na yun. So yeah, overall, I really had fun. Definitely going back, and we're going back to the regular programming here sa channel na to, no. So thank you if you are still watching this. If you made it to this point, siguro please like, share, and subscribe, no. Kung meron kayong mga finds sa Japan, kung nagpunta kayo doon, siguro i-share nyo para next time na bumalik kami doon, maybe bumili din ako or daanan namin some Japan locations na tingin nyo maganda puntahan. So yeah, thank you everyone, and I hope you have a good day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.